kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will attempt to do a math concept in 5 minutes or less. Today, boys and girls, we are going to talk about the mathematical concept of possibilities. Now, what is a possibility? Well, a possibility is something or an event that could happen or will happen. So, if something can happen, if that's a possibility, well, what if something can't happen? What if it would never happen? Oh, wait a minute. That might be impossible, right? If it can't happen or it never can happen, it's impossible. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So right now, I have a cup full of pom-poms. In here, I have orange pom-poms and I have brown pom-poms, right? So which one do you think that if I close my eyes, I would pick out? Which one do you think, because there's more in here? You think maybe the orange or maybe the brown? Well, let me do that because it's possible that I could pick orange or it's possible that I could pick brown. So let me close my eyes and I'll just see if you're right. Now, you think about which one you think I might. Okay, you got it in your head? Well, here I go. I think I might choose this. Way down there. An orange one. Is that what you said? It's possible that I could get the orange one because there's more of them in there, right? But it's also possible that I could choose a brown one because brown ones are in there. Now, let me ask you something. I also have a pink one and a white one here. Is it possible that I could pick a pink one or a white one out of this cup? No. Why? Because it's not in the cup, so it's impossible for me to pick it out of the cup. Now, if I put it in the cup, now it's a possibility that I could get a brown one, an orange one, and a pink one, or a white one, right? That's possibility. Now, I want you to do something as well. I want you to do this with your parents at home, and parents, make sure you don't have more fun than the kids because, yeah, this is easy to do, to have more fun than the kids, absolutely. Just find a jar, just an empty jar, take the wrapper off the empty jar where it's clear, and let's just add some things to it. I have here some lollipops, I have pink ones, orange ones, red ones and green ones. I have some coins. I have here some dimes and some pennies. I have some Hershey's chocolate kisses I'm adding to mine, and I have some straws that I have cut so they can fit into my jar, okay? Now, I also have some numbers, 1, 2, and 3, and I want to add them to my jar too. Now, I'm going to shake my jar up, There's lots of things in here. Now, let's see the possibility that you might choose a piece of Hershey's chocolate in there. Let's see, is it possible? It is possible because Hershey's chocolate is in there. Let's see. My hand is stuck. I didn't pull out a Hershey's chocolate. I pulled out straws because that was another one of my possibilities. Okay, so I want you to do that and see which ones you might choose out of there. See if you get it right, okay? Now, I just have to do this. You see these wonderful balloons here, and I have myself a pen right here, and I have my bunch of balloons. And you see, I have colors. I have purple, I have green, I have blue, and I have orange. So what I'm going to do is close my eyes, and I'm going to pop a red balloon. What did you say? You said I can't pop a red balloon. Why can't I pop a red balloon? You're just too smart. There's not a red balloon in my hand. So, what is the possibility that I will pop the green balloon? It is possible, isn't it? So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to pop one of these balloons, but I'm going to twirl it all around and around and around and around and around. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Oh, I didn't pop the green balloon, I popped the blue balloon. And I had more possibilities, more chances to pop that one because there were 2 blue balloons and not just one. Everything had one, right? Some people would also call this probability because we had 2 balloons, whereas we had only one. So that is so much fun. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the rest of these balloons because I don't want them to go into the air or anything like that. So I'm going to do that while you go and get you a possibility jar, okay? And pull some of those items out, okay? So when you do that, go around your house and put all those things in the jar. I want you to send me some pictures or an email just telling me how much fun you had. And you can do that by contacting me by email at WKNO teacherteacher@gmail.com. And now I know that you're going to have so much fun doing this. So what I want you to do is to go on our resource page at pbslearningmedia.org and find more activities like this. Find worksheets on possibility. Find songs and videos on possibilities, all right? That would be wonderful if you do that. And then I want to tell you somebody that made this Math Minute possible, the International Paper Foundation. And that is a possibility that we love them. Oh, absolutely right. So until next time, Teacher says, make sure that something is possible and not impossible even for you to do. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.